Hi there, and welcome to Writing Tip Wednesday. My name is Vanessa, and in each episode, I'll be sharing tips and ideas to help you become a better writer. Feel free to check out our previous episodes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Here is today's tip. Poetry does not always rhyme. Poetry is fun to read and fun to write. When we think of poetry, we usually think of the type of poems that rhyme. Like, roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Or, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. These poems use rhyming words, but did you know there are different types of poems too? Some poems use words in a creative and fun way, but they do not rhyme. One type of poem that does not rhyme is called an acrostic poem. The first letters of each line of an acrostic poem often spell out a word or phrase, and the words relate to a common theme. Here is an example of an acrostic poem using the word snow. Snowflakes falling, nothing but white. Over 6 inches, winter wonderland. Notice that together, the first letters of each line spell out the word snow, and the words and phrases of each line tell about snow and describe a snowy scene. Here is another acrostic poem about a boy named Jake. Joyful, awesome, kind, encouraging. The first letters of each line spell the name Jake, and the words in the acrostic poem describe him. To write an acrostic poem, you will start with some letters written down the side of your paper. You can use all of the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. You could use your name, or you could choose a word that will be the theme of your poem, maybe a color, or a sport, or a favorite animal. For my acrostic poem, I'm going to choose the word write. Write the word down the side of your paper like this. Then for each line, think of a word or phrase that begins with that letter. Remember, for this type of poem, the words do not have to rhyme, but they can relate to a common theme or tell a story. Here is my acrostic poem. What can I write about? Really anything. Imagine and dream it. Tell the world your story. Excellent work. There, my acrostic poem is all about writing, and the first letters of each line spell out the word write. Acrostic poems have been around for a long time. There are even acrostic poems in the Bible. Psalm 119 is one example. Each section of the psalm begins with a different letter of the Hebrew alphabet. Writing acrostic poems is fun, so give it a try. To become a better writer, keep writing every day. Grab a journal and be creative. Here is today's writing challenge. Try writing an acrostic poem using the word thankful. For each line, write things you are thankful for, using words and phrases that start with each letter of the word thankful. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Writing Tip Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you're interested in a fun new read, check out the picture books and chapter books we have available for sale. The link is in the description below. I'll see you next time.